Today I'm going to teach you how to make a super homemade mosquito repellent with materials you have in your home. It's easy to do, fast and super economical. I did it, tested it, and it works 100%. You will need a blender or a processor like this, and you will use the famous Indian clove. This clove here, guys, oh, you can find it in any supermarket. Oh, look, so you can see what the whole texture is like. It's this clove here. It's the Indian clove. So you're gonna put in 2 spoons, okay? A two. Then you will need to use a glass like this of alcohol or 100 ml of alcohol. Put it inside. Make this repellent that I'm sure you'll approve. And now we're going to process it to remove all the oil it contains inside the clove. Come on, let it beat for a few minutes. Now it's very simple. The first secret is this. Will you take it? This mixture that you made, this one that I'm showing you, and you're going to put it in a right container like this. Notice that here is all the carnation. Okay, all the carnation is still here. Oh, so you're going to add all of it here in this mixture because it still contains the essence of clove. You're going to take a bag, a plastic bag, you're going to put it on top of it, okay? Stretch it like this. Oh, and then you're going to put a garland or string, okay, to hold this mixture here, right? This is the way I'm showing you. Look, it's okay. This mixture you will leave stored in a dark corner for 12 hours. You should put it in a closet or any place that is dark for 12 hours. This is the one I've been using, you see? So let's wait and then I'm going to show you. It's past 12 o'clock. Now you're going to strain all this mixture of ours. It's simple. You're going to remove the leak. And you're going to put it either in a strainer like this or you can be using a cloth like this, right? Look, the rest is all here. This here is the crushed clove and inside here is all the essence of this clove, right? All the essence, and enjoy all the essence of the clove. That's perfect. And that's how it turned out. Look, now let's move on to the next step. The next step is as follows. You will need either olive oil or simple and easy body oil. You will take your olive oil or body oil and will add 2 tablespoons. And then you're going to run a processor again here, the mix. And notice that the oil didn't bond with our essence. So we're going to put it in the processor or blender and we're going to process. That's perfect. Now I'm going to show you how it's going to look. Very incorporated, it worked super well. The next step is this. You're going to need a container like this right here. This container is a sweetener bottle, okay? You take it, wash it, and leave it like this here, very clean. Then you just open it up, you put a funnel in here, And now you just have to dump. Homemade repellent like this. Look guys, how cool. And to finish, you add the lid and that's it. You have learned how to make a super potent homemade repellent. To apply it is very easy. You will leave it stored, right? So when you need to use this repellent or when night comes, you just grab it. Shake it, all right? Well, all right. That's enough time. Open the bottle, pass it on your hand and pass it on your arm. It has a super nice smell. Olive oil or body oil will help to keep the skin hydrated and will repel all mosquitoes due to the clove essence. You alright? It's a perfect match. This is the super powerful mosquito repellent.